Hey guys, this is Jamie Little Taluladigipoet Spice, and I am here to do the winner for the love die that was in my unboxing video for the Not Too Shabby shop. So, you were supposed to be a visible subby and leave the requisite comments and live in the United States. I'm going to pick a winner, and then I'm going to pick a runner-up and then a second runner-up, so that if the first person doesn't contact me, I can move to the second and the third. So what I would like is for all three people to send me your mailing address by, actually ASAP. So by Monday, February 15th, which is President's Day, so that I can go ahead and try to get this out in the mail at some point. Our weather is supposed to be very bad this week, so I don't know when I'll get there, but this way I can go ahead and do it. So the winner, and then I'll pick a runner-up if I don't get that person, and then there will be a third runner-up in case I don't hear from the second person. Okay, so here we go. Let's see, there's our wheel. We're going to click spin. And who will be the winner of the die? Yay! So Andrea, that's our winner. So we're going to go ahead and remove from the wheel. Then I'm going to pick runner-up number 1. So if I don't hear from her, then I will move to the next person. Spin. Come on, spin. There we go. So if I don't hear from the first person, then it would be Barbara Hairston. All right. And if I don't hear from either of those two ladies, then it would be Sugar Ray Crafts. All right, thank you guys for watching and participating, and please send me your mailing addresses ASAP, preferably by Monday, February 15th, 2021. Thanks.